right now, you reach a stage where there's a brand, popcorn plus unruly, a two brander. Good boy, you're in the blow. Stop playing like you're an idiot. People around you need to tell us you're in a blue. You're working now. When I say you're working in a blue, I mean you're working at maritime. If people decide to fight on a maritime law, you can end up broke. The stupidness where you're going with, I set up people to take away your money. You go on with that thing we did. If I post last week with Pretty Dan. I see this interview with this girl, make the first girl to come out and make fair statement. The fair interview. All she a go on like she hype on this. Anyhow she did goddamn smart. The girl will ask her questions. Ask her some question. Where anyhow she did think first and thinking of the blue section or thinking of the law book like how she claims she American. And just say yes to the question with the girl did ask her instead of talk about, oh, me know Andres and I'm listen to 5 feet 3 inch. You're lucky she a Jamaican and ghetto and dance. She talk about American. And you and she just say, yes, I was traumatized and scared for my life. That first interview. Good boy, you're in trouble.